Hello everyone, my name is Mimi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the products that literally saved my skin. I got sick recently and my skin literally became super sensitive. It felt itchy and tight. There was a layer of thick oil across it despite the fact that it was dry. It just was dry, oily, crusty, sensitive, itchy, all at the same time. And everything that I used just seemed to make it worse until I started using these products. They literally saved my skin. So they're all K-beauty products, and they're things that I found through research. Nobody influenced me to buy these. I just found them. And I am also a complete habitual and addicted to buying everything from the Amazonian. So this first product is actually a moisturizing toner. It's from the company Some by Me. It's the beta-panthenol toner. And as I show you all these products, I'm going to do a split screen so you can see how these apply. So this toner is a beta-panthenol toner. Has beta-sesterol and D-panthenol in it. It is a clinical solution that is non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested, and is supposed to improve moisturization on your skin. It is a powerful boosting essence toner to moisturize the skin instantly and refine skin texture. This does refine your skin texture. It's nothing in it that I can tell from the ingredients that will do that, but it's just that it's so smoothing and so moisturizing, yet it leaves no film on the skin, nothing that'll make your skin stingy or anything. It just kind of soothes it all. And I use it all over my face, down my neck, and even on the upper part of my chest. And this has no scent, and it is just really, really nice. I apply it to a cotton pad, and from there I put it all over my face. Okay. Next, after that, I have been applying something very new. It is the Glucamune Essence by VT Cosmetics. Now this comes in a bottle like this. It's plastic with a clear top, and this Glucamune essence contains a healthy skin and is supposed to create a healthy skin environment for sensitive and dehydrated skin. So it's supposed to have a 3D humid matrix that instantly moisturizes the skin. This is, again, for sensitive skin, and it is vegan. It's non-comedogenic. It has no fragrance in it. Neither does the first one by Some by Me. This feels like water going on the skin. Like my skin just drinks this up. There is one thing in this. This does have BHA in it. I didn't know that when I bought it, but it doesn't do anything to my skin. That's an exfoliant, but it doesn't irritate my skin. In fact, I think it helps make this moisturize my skin better. And again, I use this all over my face and down onto my neck. Now, the last product that I've been using is again by VT Cosmetics. It's this. This is the Glucamune. What is it? The Glucamune Cream. This contains the same 3D humid matrix for dehydrated sensitive skin. This is thicker than the essence, and the two of them together are they're just perfection. This, a little bit of this, a teeny tiny dot, like a pea size amount, a large pea size, covers my face, my neck, and this part of my chest. and it is just the most moisturizing, beautifully water texture. It feels like it has like a mucusiness to it. This is also vegan, but I've heard that this is like, feels like snail mucin. I've never used anything with snail mucin in it. This is got glucamune in it, which is like, gives it that gooey, sticky feeling, but on the skin it goes on like water. It just feels so cooling and so good on my sensitive skin. And this also has no fragrance. I'm not sure I mentioned that. And it does not leave any kind of film or texture on the skin. Your skin just feels hydrated, and it has a pretty sheen to it. It's not dewy, it's not greasy, but it's got a nice sheen. It just looks like a youthful glow to the skin, which is great for me because, you know, I'm in my mid-40s and I can use all the glow I can get. So those 3 products literally have saved my skin. They are so good. My skin is no longer sensitive. It no longer has that weird oily texture. The dryness is gone. The spots where I was super oily around in my T-zone, through right here and on the tip of my chin and up here on my forehead, are no longer as oily. Like, it's just lessened all of it. The sensitivity, the oiliness, the dry spots. I've realized now that I guess my skin was dehydrated and overcompensating by making oil, and this is just kind of given my skin what it needed to rebalance itself. And I wanted to add that the reason why I chose these 3 products is because there are no additives in them. A lot of moisturizers and things, they have niacinamide, really heavy exfoliating acids in them, things that are going to trigger sensitive skin that's already sensitive. And these don't have any of that. They don't have any of the heavy anti-aging ingredients, no retinols, no vitamin C, there's no fragrance, there's nothing in them that will trigger sensitive skin. Now the 2 by BT Cosmetics, the Glucamune ones, they do have a BHA, a very mild amount of BHA. So, but when your skin is dry, you actually need a little bit of an exfoliant to get the dead skin off so that the moisturizer can sink in. Otherwise, it's not effective. But it's such a small amount in there that it's not going to irritate your skin unless you're sensitive to it, which I am not. So that's really great. So my skin is cleared up. Some of the darkness that I had on my chin has cleared up. I have some hyperpigmentation around my mouth, and that's just from irritation. But when the irritation goes away, that hyperpigmentation starts to lessen. And I've noticed that with this. And overall, these products, I cannot sing their praises enough. I will have all the details about them below and where you can find them below, where I purchased them below in the description box. And if you like this kind of video, please give me 2 thumbs up, like, and subscribe. My name's Mimi, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.